Good afternoon, children. How are you? Have you seen the previous video? In continuation of that video, we are going to do the next video, that is chemical coordination in human being. Dear children, in addition to the nervous system, higher invertebrate and vertebrate have another system called endocrine system, which control and coordinates the body function to maintain a steady state condition called the homeostasis inside the body. First we have to know what is endocrine system. Endocrine system or the endocrine gland are the ductless gland which generally secrete their secretion or the hormone into the blood for their transportation to a specific target organ. So it is also called hormonal system. Endocrine glands are the ductless gland. They do not have the duct. Then what are the limitation of nervous system? So we need the endocrine system also. Dear children, there are some limitation of nervous system. See the first one, nervous impulses cannot reach all the cells of the body. Nervous signals exert quick but short-lived responses. Nervous signals are discontinuous. Both nervous system and endocrine system work in coordination to maintain homeostasis. Now, what are the various endocrine glands present in human being? See, the first one is thyroid gland, then parathyroid gland, adrenal gland, hypothalamus, pituitary gland, pancreas, testes, ovaries, thymus and pineal gland. Now you all see the figure, its location in our body. Dear children, in the previous video we have discussed about the structure of brain. In the forebrain there is a hypothalamus. It also secretes some hormone. So it is present in the brain portion, means forebrain. Then below the hypothalamus there is a small gland that is called pineal gland. Below that there is a pituitary gland. And in the neck region you can see parathyroid gland and the thyroid gland. Above the heart you can see thymus gland. Above the kidney you can see the adrenal gland, and we have already learned the digestive system of human being. Below the stomach you can observe the pancreas. Then in female we can see ovary. There are 2 ovaries are present in female body. Then in male testis is present. These are the various endocrine glands present in our body. Now we will see the function of each one of them and the hormones secreted by them. First see the hypothalamus gland. It secretes stimulator inhibitor. And what is the function of that hormone? It regulates the function of pituitary gland. That means pituitary hormone regulation is the function of stimulator inhibitor secreted by hypothalamus gland. Then the second one is pituitary gland. From its interior portion, ACTH, FSH, growth hormone, prolactin, LH and TSH hormone are secreted, and their function is to stimulate the various glands for the secretion of hormone. Therefore, pituitary gland is also called the master gland. Then from the pituitary gland posterior region, ADH and oxytocin hormone is secreted, and the function is water conservation, uterus contraction and milk ejection. Then the next gland is thyroid gland. It secretes thyroxine hormone and the function is metabolic rate control. Then the next gland is parathyroid gland and the hormone secreted is PTH and calcitonin and the function is to calcium regulation. Then the next gland is pancreas gland. It secretes insulin and glucagon and the function is nutrient metabolism, that means digestion of various components of food. Then the next one is adrenal gland. It secretes the hormone adrenaline and the function is salt conservation and stress response. When we are in anger, when we are in hurry, then the adrenal gland secrete the adrenaline hormone and it calm down our anger and we reaches to normal position. Then the next one is ovary. It secretes estrogen as well as progesterone hormone and the function is female characteristic. Then the last one is testis. It secretes testosterone and the function is to control the male characteristic. In this way, we can understand the various function of endocrine gland, their position and the hormones secreted by them. I think you all understand the topic. Thank you for watching and I hope that you all learn the function of hormones secreted by the endocrine gland.